everyone, it's Donnie. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Diamond Painting by Donnie, and today I am unboxing a new package that I received from Craft Ease, and I was a little disappointed in how the Postal Service treated it, but yeah, this is how it came, pretty squished. Let's just hope it's nice and protected inside. So this is what this one looks like right here. And let's see what it looks like. I'll link it down below for you. Now, they use exclusive licensed images in their shop. They don't have a ton of diamond paintings, but they are a fairly newish company, so they're still building up on what they have. And like I said, it's licensed, so that's a good thing that they don't have a ton of stuff as being a new company, because they are making sure they do it the right way by making sure that their artists are compensated for the work, for their art. And I'm having just a real fun time here trying to open it. I guess I don't need to take the packaging completely off, but there we go. And as you can see, again, I am in my living room. Alright, so here's what it looks like from the end. Okay, so this is yeah, I was wondering, the box is bigger than the diamond painting, so it was kind of flopping around in there, and I wasn't sure why. But yeah, the box is a little bit bigger. This is a 30 by 50. It says it right here on the box. Yeah, it's 30 by 50, and I think, yeah, it's called Numiko by Sybile Art. It says it right here. Let me show you. Right there. I thought I had my flash on, but apparently I don't. Is it? Anyway, I will put that in the description as well. Alright, so here is my kit, and I believe I got round. I don't remember. We'll find out in a minute. But as you can see, it's got purple. So, of course, I'm going to be interested in this. And it has, it's a mermaid. Yeah. Two of my favorite things, mermaids and purple. Alright. Let's see what it looks like here. It does appear to be poured glue. Yes, that's poured glue. Nice and easy. Comes off of the, pulls away from the canvas nice and easy. It's got a really thick plasticky material. Sorry, I'm still trying to figure out the best way to prop up my camera while I'm working, so, or unboxing, so it's just a learning curve, trying to get used to the new unboxing space. Alright, so we get 2 drill pins, we get 2 squishies, 2 biggish pieces of wax, get a metal set of tweezers, and a white tray. So there's our kit. Let me go up a little bit. And it has, on the drill pins, we've got 2 single placers, and then we have a 3 placer and a, it's a 6 placer. Yeah. So there's a toolkit. Alright, and here is our beautiful little mermaid. The thing I like about poured glue is that you don't have to worry about getting bubbles. So you can see how this has some ripples in it, but that's just air between the cover and the glue. It is not bubbled underneath the glue, which is what matters. So just pull it back and you can get it flattened nice and flat like that. There we go. Yeah, there we go. That's nice and perfect. So this has some color blocking going on here. But it does have quite a bit of confetti. Here's the drill filled. So we can get a good look at that. Is it blurry? Maybe I can zoom in without it being blurry. I can't see up that close, so I can't tell. Is it blurry or not? Looks like it's blurry, so I'll try and get it so you can see the drill filled. I wear glasses, so it's really hard for me to tell. Hold on, let me just do this. All right. Trying to find a spot with no shadows. All right, there we go. Now you can see the drill filled. And I now have my flash going, so we have more light. Yeah, so... yeah, those are pretty darn legible. I mean, it's got basic... well, it's got some weird symbols I've never seen before. But it's pretty distinguishable between different characters. Lots of letters. Alright, let's look at the key over here. Alright. So we've got 28 colors. And it looks like we've got some kind of a special drill. That number 1. Maybe these other ones too, because see that 172, that it's blocked out in blue. So I'm wondering if those are special, like rhinestones or something. But here's the rest of them. Same with number 23. I'm curious. We'll check that out here in a minute when we look at those drills. So let's look at this canvas. All right. So here we go. If these are special, let's look real quick. Yep, we got rhinestones. Number 5 is a rhinestone, which is the one with the block there. And then, so I'm guessing number 22 is going to be rhinestones as well. Yeah, I see a blue rhinestone in there, right there. And number 1 looks like it might be the silver rhinestones. We'll find out for sure, but I'm going to look on the canvas to see where these go. So we're looking at symbols. Would be like a left caret, the letter T, and then that bullseye target looking thing. So there's a bunch of that. So this would be the silver one, I'm pretty sure, right here, down in this flowered area. And then all of this, there's some kind of, I don't know if that happened when I opened it, but there's some kind of, nope, there's something stuck on my canvas. There, it's gone. All right, so these hearts, I know it's, bear with me guys, I am so sorry. I am trying to still be able to get these videos out to you while I'm, having to keep my legs up, so it's a challenge, but I'm trying to make it work for you guys. All right, so the heart here, these yellow hearts, those will be in rhinestone. And same with these blues over here. So this is a mixed, I guess mixed media type canvas. It's got regular drills and rhinestones mixed together. We've we've got quite a few of the yellow spots. So right there, they're mixed in throughout here. And then there's some more of the silvers. And let's see, there's a couple more of the blue right there. There's some blues here, and quite a few of the blues right here. And here's more of the silver, and more big hearts where the T yellow ones will be. Like I said, this is going to be the silver. Here's some more. This star is going to be in rhinestone. And then these hearts here, as well as more of the silver in here. quite a bit of it throughout the mermaid herself. And we've got more. Ooh, there's that thing that was stuck to my canvas. Stuck to my finger now. All right, here's some more yellow rhinestones, and then the silvers, and more yellows and silvers and more silvers, as well as a lot more silver in here. We've got more of the yellow here, and then the outer portion of that. What's going on? Oh, the bottom of the canvas was in the camera. All right, so this whole circular area right here is going to be blue rhinestones, and this is silver. We've got more silvers here, and in the mermaid herself, there's a lot of the silver rhinestones all through here, and then more here and here, and then we got more over here, and then there's another of the yellow right there, and then here. So everywhere you see yellow, there's the only yellow in this is the rhinestone yellow. So all that. There's not a ton of the blue so far, but let's see. There's some more there. And as you can see in her face, you've got more of the silver rhinestones through her hair up here. And we've got a little bit more of the blue here. And then we've got some up here at the top. It looks like these might be like bubbles. This part right here, and then in the center is going to be yellow rhinestones, and then here along the top, these are all rhinestones, all of those circular symbols you see. So that's going to be all rhinestones. These are going to be rhinestones here, and then more rhinestones up here in this corner right there. So 30 by 50 is kind of an odd size. Normally it's like 40 by 50 or 30 by 40. And that's okay. But that's okay. You know, it's not a super big one because I can't zoom out anymore. It's long, but it's not super wide. So, I mean, it's not an in-between, like the kind of projects I like to do, the smaller ones, in-between projects, but it's not going to be one that's going to take super long, but it will take longer than a 30 by 40, you know what I mean? All right, so I'm going to just get the bubble-licious stuff out from this canvas real quick, and then we're going to look at those pretty drills we got. There we go. That was quick and easy. Nice and flat now. Okay, I'm going to flip this over so we're not distracted. All right. So here's our drills. And it doesn't look like they have the DMC numbers on the bags, but they are on the canvas, on the key here. So they do have DMC codes on there for people who like to save their extras. Yeah, look at all this purple. I'm so excited. All right, we've got, let's see, look at that pretty purple. Oh my gosh. I don't know why they all say 5Z, but that must be part of the diamond painting number, because you can see here it's got DP 1036 and then 5Z. And I don't know, maybe that's the code on the canvas. It says DP 1036. I don't know what the 5Z stands for, but it seems to be on all of the packs of drills. So, all right, let's take a look here what we got. Let's go from the back. You can see the colors better. We're going to have purple, purple, and more purple. Look at that. I'm guessing this is 550 or something close to it. And look at all those. Look at all of those. Beautiful. Oh, I can find out. What is number one? Number 1 is 208. I was wrong. Do they have 550 is not even in here. They have 554 though. Alright, so here we go. Our drills, and there's that yellow rhinestone. Just a very little bit of black. 310. More purples. And red. Well, that's kind of like a coral color, and there's quite a few of them with those colors there. That type of shade, like a peachy coral color. And then we got a little bit of green, some mint color, a dark blue, other blue. Oh, and there's oh, I love this blue right here. Yeah, it's so pretty. And that's like a really, really pale pink. And then a green and peach. And then we got another bit of them. So number 21, yeah. And so there, yeah, like I said, there wasn't a lot of blue. So there's the blue rhinestones. They're so pretty. And then more purple. And even more purple. And blues. So blues, pinks, and blues, purples, and greens are the majority of the color in this. Those are some really pretty colors. So this is right up my alley. And that's another really pretty blue right there. And here we are with those silver. And the great thing about this is that if you run out, I'm sure you have extras somewhere, because I know I do. I have a bag just sitting right next to me from leftover from the masks I made up the other day. So I always have some kind of silver leftovers. So that's going to look really pretty with these highlighting those certain spots in this diamond painting. So I will link this for you down below in the description box. If you don't know where the description box is, just look down here, down there, and you'll see a little carrot. It looks like this. And if you click on it, it will bring up the description section, and there is a ton of information in there that should be very helpful for you. There are discount codes and different things that I like to use for diamond painting. I get from Amazon. So use what you want, leave what you don't, and if you could just hit the like button on your way down, I would greatly appreciate it. And just tell me hi. Leave a comment. I love reading comments from you guys, and it just lets me know you're out there and that you're still there. But yeah, even saying hi to me just warms my heart, and you know I've read it if I give it a heart from me. And I really do love to be able to sit down and just read the comments from you guys and interact with you and just feel the love. So if you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to be one of my subscribers. And if you hit the notification bell after you subscribe, you will be notified of when I post new videos like this one. So have fun diamond painting, guys. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And stay safe. And don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. So take care, everyone. Bye.